Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to present to you a website called Real Discount. This website proposes to you a coupon for free online courses. So I'm going to present to you the interface. As you can see here are course. This it is they are video course. Okay, here this course is has been uploaded 10 minutes ago. As you can see, the course lasts 2 hours. This one takes 3 hours. There is no start because it is it is it is not yet ready. Okay. Here are all the courses. Now, if you want to maybe get a free course, real discount is synchronized with your Udemy account. I'm going to show you. Here are all the categories. As you can see here, explore thousands of free courses organized by subject. Here are all the subjects covered by real discount. As I like IT and software, we are going to look at IT and software. So the website is going to filter. So here we are going to search only course of IT and software category. So now maybe I cracking. As I said, I'm going to show you it. Cracking. Okay. Here as you can see here is the price of the cows. Here it is $0. Here is $15. It is $15 because the cows has been uploaded 2 months ago, so it took uh, too much time. Here 3 months ago, 8 months ago. So you have to take the cows when it is still free of charge, as this one. If we want this one, we click on it, right click, Udemy 4.5 hours, view English. Here let's go down. Here you have get the cows. So now, as I already have a Udemy account, if you don't have Udemy account, real discount will ask you to log into your Udemy account to get the course. Me, I have already logged in. Here I don't know why my Udemy is in French, but wait, I want to translate it. I want to translate this page Okay, I have translated it. Here we click on register now. I don't know why it is in French. Okay, it's in English. So now, as you can see here, Udemy say your Udemy discount or credit fully cover this purchase. Sign up now to start learning. Okay, now we click on register. Your purchase has been made. Okay. Excellent choice. Okay. Password. Here is the course. Now, if you want to start the cows. You click on start uh, the cows. Sorry. Oh, the connection is taking too much time. Join the rip. Here's the cows. Here's the cows. As you can see, here is all our cows section on the cracking, collecting and cracking. Extraction hash from video, Windows security and password. Getting Linux. As you can see, we have we got the cows.
Hello everyone, I'm Typhoon here again,
Here's
and
the
in this
video,
lecture
the first video. So now, I don't know if I can. Here are other video. You follow the same step as I show you. The cows I permanently get. Permanently got. We say got or get. I don't know. But you understood. It's the most important. Here free cows. But you can see I like even the interface or real discount. I like it. So don't forget to go on real discount to you filter as I show you with the category. If you are doing maybe photography, we click here. Let's type Photoshop. Okay. Here are all the cars from Photoshop. Let's type DaVinci Resolve. Here is cars on DaVinci Resolve. So you have to get the cars very early. So don't forget to like the video, share and comment. See you to the next video. Thank you.